Thank you so much for the presentation. Hi all, I'm super happy to be here. Today I'm not going to present a state-of-the-art model, but I'll present some insights and a useful tool to boost the productivity of your development team and improve the operative of your development team. So today I'll be talking about data versioning towards a good reproducibility in machine learning pipelines. So a few words about Tryolabs. We build custom AI solutions working on computer vision, natural language processing, and predictive analytics, thanks to a team of more than 70 people and more than a decade of experience serving over 150 clients. Regarding the agenda, I'll open this talk by introducing some common pain points in the machine learning development experience. Then I'll present a useful open source tool that helped us alleviate some of these problems during development. And then I'll share with you some takeaways and learnings from our experience, along with some references for you to deep dive on this tool and speed up the onboarding process. So, as I was mentioning, in Tryolabs we have a very big team, mostly composed of data scientists and technical people who are always looking to solve new problems and challenges from the industry. During our history as a company, a dilemma arose regarding implementing entire solutions from scratch versus adopting tools to solve some of these common problems. Usually, data science teams end up reinventing the wheel for these common problems, and today I would like to present you a successful tool to help you avoid these common patterns that threaten productivity.